Now, I cordially invite the Acting Director and the CEO of National Institute of Fundamental Studies of Sri Lanka, Senior Professor Ranjit Premalal de Silva, to deliver welcome address.
Good morning, a good day to all of you. Let me extend a very warm welcome to all of you to the inauguration of NIFS 40th anniversary commemorations. The NIFS has been magnificently led by the eminent personalities of highest political caliber in this country and nourished by an array of world-renowned Sri Lankan scientists as former directors, such as Professor Chandra Wickramasinghe, Professor Cyril Ponnamperuma, Professor Kirti Tennakon, Professor C.B. Disanayake, Professor Parakrama Karunaratne, and more recently, Professor Saman Senaveera. At the time of commemorating 40 years of our successful contribution to the nation, as the premier fundamental research institute of the country, I believe this is an opportunity for us to have a glimpse of our achievements in the past, evaluate the present national priorities and our potentials to strategize our future directions. Ladies and gentlemen, at present, the NIFS is engaged in basic high caliber research focusing on 17 different thematic areas, focusing on energy and advanced materials, theoretical physics and computational studies, natural products and food chemistry, microbiology and carbon sequestration, earth, environmental and biodiversity, molecular biology, biotechnology, and few other very important disciplines. With the research conducted by National Institute of Fundamental Studies so far, the institute was able to train about 1,500 postgraduate students, 1,600 undergraduate students, and disseminate the information to the scientific community, publishing more than 1,500 research publications in reputed journals. The NIFS was successful in developing the first real-time database to monitor the compliance of research activities aligned with the vistas of prosperity and splendor and the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. The NIFS is active round the clock, even amidst this COVID pandemic, to unravel the missing fundamental scientific component which hinders the nation's development, and we envision to be a world-renowned center of excellence for basic research. At this memorable occasion, ladies and gentlemen, as the director of National Institute of Fundamental Studies, let me have your permission to read out a small part of an email I received yesterday from the first director of then IFS, Professor Chandra Wickramasinghe, who is presently the director of the Buckingham Center for Astrobiology, University of Buckingham in the United Kingdom. I quote, "When I was growing up in the 1960s, my adolescent's dream was that my native country, Sri Lanka, will someday have national institutions dedicated to research in science at the highest level of excellence. Such institutions had, of course, existed in other countries then and throughout history for thousands of years. But in the 1960s, there were none to be found in Sri Lanka. It is our desire as humans to unravel the mysteries of the universe that sets us apart from all other creatures that inhabit our planet. I thought then, and still I think, that is the duty of every nation and every government to offer opportunities to enable the fulfillment of this desire. the nascent IFS, now the NIFS, sought to fill this gap and has done so most admirably over the past 4 decades. On the occasion of the 40th year of its birth, I wish to congratulate all of you on your truly marvelous progress. For me personally, it is a dream come true, unquote, from Professor Chandra Wickramasinghe, who has joined us in this seminar from inauguration from UK. With that congratulatory message for our 40th anniversary commemoration for the first director of NIFS, I take pride in welcoming our chief guest for the event today, although we are a little bit late in starting the session. Honorable Minister of Skills Development, Vocational Education, Research and Innovation, Consultant Dr. Sita Rempola, who has been an inspiration for all of us at NIFS, ensuring her superlative wisdom to guide us. We warmly welcome you, Madam, for this historic event of NIFS. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome Secretary of the State Ministry, Mrs. Deepa Liyanage, who is a great pillar of support for us in all our activities. Special welcome to our guest speaker today, Professor Prasad Katulanda, who has been associated with NIFS more than 3 decades. I'm sure, Professor Katulanda, your presentation will educate all of us on non-communicable disease control, treatment and management. I welcome you to this inaugural session. I also welcome our chairman. No, I don't want to welcome the chairman of NIFS because he is the key person instrumental in conceptualizing, organizing and implementing the 40th anniversary commemoration program. I welcome all former chairpersons of NIFS and directors, vice chancellors, head of institutions under our ministry, overseas partners and adjunct research professors and fellows of NIFS, heads and staff of all our research partner institutions, other invitees, ladies and gentlemen, all are welcome to the inaugural session of NIFS 40th anniversary commemoration session. Thank you very much.